Okay, so this is part 3. Um, so as I said, we're going to open up Data Loader, login, use your Salesforce credentials. Next, we are importing transactions, so we're going to drag down to transactions. If you were going to use this for constituents, you would go to constituents, but this is a transaction. We're going to open up the file, the import that we made before. Next. Okay. We're going to choose an existing map. I will send you all of these, so no worries. We're going to pick Salesforce ID. And everything is automatically mapped, which is good. And then we press finish. And you just want to make sure that the first 10 is successful before you go out of it. Okay, so this looks like it is going to be successful. And from here, if there are any errors, you want to look at the errors. And if it's anything like invalid cross-reference ID, things like that, then you'll send that to Charlotte, because that again means that the ID is incorrect. But if it's something like mail code is incorrect, you'll want to look at that. Yeah, those are the two big errors that we usually get. If anything's missing that's required, it might be an error in the file, like that last name that we were talking about before. But this is looking good. Let's give it a few more seconds. Okay, great. So no errors. So then I'm just going to be sending that one error over here to Charlotte. But the last thing that we're going to do is we're just going to check one of these GIFs and just make sure that everything looks good. So here's the ID. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it into Salesforce. Okay, mail code is in, it connected, account is connected, great. Everything looks good. Okay, good. So then the last thing that I do is I go back into this error, this one error that we have, and let's give it a header. Oh, okay. I know what happened here. Get one with the DDID. If I actually just make a column. Okay, copy, paste. There we go. Okay. Donor direct ID. And I'm going to send this to Charlotte. DD error 10/30/19. Save it as a CSV. And you want to make sure that any files that you're doing for imports are always CSV. And then I'm going to send this to Charlotte. Thank you. And that's it.